Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do below. I'm probably going to be letting you guys know and reminding you that I am going to be having a giveaway at some point. I have not released a date or anything like that yet, just because I'm not sure when I am at, exactly when I'm going to have it, but I do know it's going to be soon, hopefully within the next couple of weeks. So I will be sure to let you guys know exactly all of the details so that you know how to enter and when to enter. I'm most likely going to lay music over most of this video, so enjoy. That's a good few things from Amazon that I am going to share with you. This acrylic organizer is pretty much the same acrylic organizer that I just showed you guys in a previous video that I just filled up with all of my charms and nail art, and I will show it again kind of quickly in this video, but I did get another one because I wanted to organize all of my rhinestones, which I don't have much of. There it is right there. And I did off camera at the end of the video when I was done recording. I ended up putting it on top of each other. And it's literally the same exact organizer. Same one. Again, if you're interested in an organizer like this, be sure to check my links below in the description box. So there are a total of 72 compartments total. There are 24 in each drawer. I don't know about you, but I have a million of these wheels. I'm gonna empty these out into my container and see what I can do. Started to sort these out in different sizes, and I did what I could. When I got to the end of the smaller ones, I kind of combined them together because it just would have took me far too long. So enjoy watching, enjoy the music. You guys are finding these videos very relaxing, and I appreciate you guys for saying that. So enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to take these rhinestones, put them into here, and then that'll help me get them easier into the container. I just want to quickly say that this little, I don't know what it's called, but it is for rhinestones, and it helps you flip the rhinestones over so that they can be upright so you can grab them and apply them to your nail. I love this thing so much. It's such a helpful, I really don't know what the name of it is called, but I do want to find me some more. Look at how most of the rhinestones are upright. It's just such a helpful tool. See how most of the rhinestones are face up? I'm not sure if I want to start a separate Swarovski drawer. I am going to put these down in the third drawer for now, but then after I stopped recording, I started putting my charms that were kind of like blinged out, bigger charms in there because I wanted to find a spot to put those. So now all I have left is to organize the rest of my pink organizer, to the right. And then all of my metal studs, I think I'm going to leave them in the containers that they're in, unless I get another one of these, and then I probably won't need any more organizers. please excuse my nails as I am trying to remove them for a new set. So I bought some new flowers, and there were bigger flowers in these packages, so I was happy about that because the other ones that I bought were really tiny, and I wanted more of a variety of sizes, so I went ahead and got some more. These have bigger flowers and also different colors, and I started to add them to the pink organizer on the right of the screen. Off camera, I probably took maybe an hour or something to organize this organizer. It took me a really long time because everything is so teeny tiny. You gotta pick up everything. I was trying to go through all of my nail art because if I would have recorded all of that, it would have took way too long. So I did it off camera, and I will show you maybe in another video what I did. So it's gonna look really different the next time that you see it. I was trying to really take out most of the rhinestones because I wanted to add more colorful nail art like this to my pink organizer. So my pink organizer is going to be more of kind of decorative nail art. So I think they're gonna be kind of held in there until maybe I find something different, but for now the pink organizer is okay for me. Here is my new custom bling box that I did with you guys on a video. So if you'd like to see how I organized all of this nail art, then check the description box below. I also want to add that this was years and years of collecting nail art. All of this nail art was not purchased at the same time, not all at once. So I just want to let that be known. And I would always see, because I've been on YouTube for a very long time, and I always see people with these beautiful bling boxes, and I always wanted one, and so here it is. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I will see you all on the next video.